Hello everybody, welcome to a short video for Becca on this puzzle. So I thought I'd just go over it, do it one more time, because it has been a while since I originally did this series. So one thing that's a bit different is now I mark out in X's where there can't be things. So I start out with this 35 clue, which it must be all numbers from 8 to 2 that add up to 35, which means none of these could be a 1 or a 9, so it's got to be on the outside, which gives our first clue, which is this 2 clue. And we know that that's a 2. So that's the actual way to break in. I think what I originally did, starting down here, was potentially not accurate. So I'm just going to use this as the starter now. So I know this goes down at least 4 and up to 5. So it could start here and be 5 long. But there's definitely something in one of those 2 slots. Now we've got this 6 clue, so this would be a 3 sum, so it can't be there. Same logic applies here. This could be it. Could be 2, 4. Could be there and be a 6. Could be there and be a 6. And then this 0 clue, since it has to be connected to a 1 or a 9, can't be there. And it can't be here, because then it would have to be using a 1, and there's already a 1 in that spot. And now we've got this 7 clue. Can't be there. Could be here and be 2 wide, or could be there and be a 7. Same logic applies up there. This can't be, because it's right next to the 1. But yeah, either of those 2 or that one is a 9. This 29 clue is pretty big. Can't fit 4 in there. But that's definitely not one of them. It means 9 is either there or there. If the 9's there, then this is a 0. If the 9's there, then this is a 0. Either way, this can't be the 1-9 clue. So it's either a 9 here and a 1 here, a 9 here and a 1 there. Now for this it's 29, so it definitely can't be right next to it. Also can't be there, it's gotta be at least 4. And it could be there and be 5 wide, or it could be there and be 4 wide. Either way, that gets rid of a few more possibilities. I don't think it could start up here. Got too far to walk. Could start here though, or here. Which does mean that this 1-9 clue, and there's definitely a 1 or a 9 here, finishes up the square. Which is some fancy logic. What else do we got here? So it could start there and be a 5 wide. Both ideas are possible. This is a 4 wide, so it can't be here, because that's 3. Could start there and be 4 that way. The 4 clue really helps out with this box, because if it's here, you can't stretch out a 4 into 2. If it's here, you can't stretch out a 4 into 3, which makes this a 9. So that's the first descramble of a few of those. And now the 1-9 in this row is done. So we can get rid of that. For the 4 clue, it's gotta be here. That's the only way it works. And then that has to be connected. No, it's at least 2 in between. Oh, this actually could be 4. That's interesting. Or it could be 2 that way. That could be 4 or 5. This definitely is not a thing. Either of these is a 1. I think this 29 clue sorts out where the 6 goes. Because this 29 clue, it's got to be there, no matter what. So this can never be a 9. So that's how you're supposed to descramble that. Oh no. Did I make a mistake? Wait. Oh no, it can fit in like this. Okay. I got a little bit spooked there, but 8 is a 1-digit number. So it's all good. Could be a 2 or 3. This definitely is spread as far as it can go, which means this is a 6, because 6 plus 29 is 35. Oh, that sorts out where this 9 goes. Sorts out where this 9 goes for the 24 clue. This can't be a 1 anymore, so that's a 1. That's a 6 for this clue. Now we got a 1 in one of these spots, and it can't be there because there's already a 1. Which just leaves this 9. And then this 9. And that's sorted out all the 1s and 9s. So now it's just figuring out the logic behind all this. So it's 2, 3, 4, and 5. We don't have any of those on the board. But, wait. The 6. It's not a 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Which leaves 6, 7, 8 left over. That can't be an 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's a 6 here, 6 here. What about this one? That one's still up in the air. There's definitely an 8 in there somewhere. This one is 5 wide, and it definitely has a 6 in it. And it also definitely has a 4. So it's got to be 2, 4, 6, 5, 7. But it can't be too high. Can't fit a 7 in there. Could you fit a 6? You couldn't fit a 6. Wait, no, that's a 5. 2, 4, 5 are all possible. Why are there 4s in there? Well, there's definitely a 4 in this sandwich. So that's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two and 5 means that this is a 3, right? That was some hard logic. 2, 4, 5, 7, yeah. Which leaves 3, and what's the other left over? 8. 8 in one of those. Is that 2, 5 pair? That makes that a 4. And this definitely needed a 4, right? So that's got to be there. But it's helpful. 4 over there, 4 over there. 4 over here. 2, 5. What else is left in here? 3. Which actually gets a 3, if you can believe that. It's been a while since I've done one of these Sudoku videos. That's a 6-3 pair, isn't it? Oh, this is also a pair. 6 and 7. Oh, and if this is a 2-5 pair, this is also a 7. Eight pair. Just leaves 2, 3, 5. There's a 3, but there's no 2 or 5 in there. What about this? We've got 6 left in the middle. Oh, and there can't be a 4 in it, so that's got to be 6, 2, 7. Which means that's not a 7, that's an 8. And then this has to be a 5. Which means for this box logic, that's a 5, that's a 5, that's a 2. That's a 2. 1, 2, 3. A 3 left there. That's a 3, because 3 plus 6 is 9. That one I can do in my head. Ah, the 2 in this box is figured out. The 2 in this box is figured out. What do we got here? 6, 2, 4, leaves 5, 7. That's a 4, so that's a 3. 6, 3, 7, 6. These two don't matter because the rows are done now. What about this one, though? Well, we know that there's a 4 in there. That gets rid of those two possibilities. There can't be a 2 in there, so that's 3, 4, 6. The lowest this can be is a 6. So that's a 3, 4 pair. Which means this is a 3. The rest should all just be Sudoku rules. Six here. 6 here. This is missing something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. And then the 2's line up with those 2's, which makes that a 2. And that a 7. Which sorts this out. Which sorts this out. And that. 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 That. And that. And that. And that. And that. That. That should do it. So that's level 8. So yeah, I'm pretty sure my solve of that originally was just lucky guess probably. But this is a hard game, so that's alright. I'm still working on it off camera. Let me know if you like these Sudoku videos. Maybe I'll go back and make some more of these. But yeah, this one is dedicated to Becca for asking some clarification there. I thought I'd just resolve it, then try to figure out what I was thinking back then. Because that is a task harder than all of these Sudokus. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.